Gemini is built directly into Google Docs. Draft, rewrite, and restructure content without leaving the page. Here are 3 ways to use it. Open a new empty document and look for the pencil and star icon. That's Help Me Write. Click it and type what you want. I'll say, write a short intro for a blog post about how Spotify uses data to personalize music recommendations. Keep it under 80 words and make it engaging. Hit Create. Gemini drafts it inline. If you're happy, click Insert and it's in the doc. Now let's say the output is close, but not quite right. Select the text you just inserted and a small toolbar floats below it. Click the pencil icon and you'll see your refine options. You can modify it with a custom prompt and just type exactly what you want, or you can pick a quick option. Rephrase, shorten, elaborate, or make it more formal. I'll go with more formal. Gemini rewrites it on the spot. And to swap it into the doc, click the arrow beside Insert, then hit Replace. The original text is gone and the new version is in. For bigger changes, open the Ask Gemini side panel or just click the Gemini icon, the stars icon in the top right. I'll type, convert this paragraph into 3 bullet points summarizing the key ideas. And Gemini restructures it right there in the panel. You can insert it directly into the doc or copy it, your choice. And here's something really useful. The same panel lets you pull in files from your Google Drive. Click the plus icon, then Add from Drive, select the file you want, and click Add. It's now attached as context. From there, just type your prompt. I'll type, summarize this, click Send, and give it a moment. Gemini reads the file and pulls the key points back for you, all without leaving the document. That's 3 tools inside one app. Help Me Write to start from nothing, refine to tighten what you already have, and the Ask Gemini side panel for anything bigger. Once you start using all 3 together, writing in docs gets a whole lot faster. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.